Here's your fuse boxes. Here, if you open the rear doors on the driver's side, you will have 2 fuse panels in here. Now, if you're checking or wanting to replace a fuse, remember, at the back of each lid, you're going to have what's what or what goes to what. And again, in addition, you have more fuses in the future if you want to add something to the van. So always check your fuse box if something is not working properly and you have power. Now, quick reference, here on your vanity door, you will have your on-road router here and your Garmin motherboard. And here's your breaker box. On the driver bench at the back of the van, you're going to have this little black box. Just click on it, open it up, and you will have your breakers for the front, rear TV, microwave, refrigerator, stove, and more. So if you know you have power and some of them aren't working, always check your breaker box first. Just click it to close it again.